Hey guys, I just want to give you the good news. The first step is done. So I have the resonance finally because I had some trouble with synchronizing and putting the right invert for the signal on each of the four switches, and finally it's working now. So we're looking at the scope. The yellow one is the voltage of the high voltage coil, and it's peak to peak 500 volt, and the power supply at 3 volt and 0.13 amps, which means this is a resonance. And the resonance is, for me, for the transformer I made, the step up transformer, is at 99.5 kilohertz. It's kind of high, but the thing is the way I hook it up is not the same as Master Evo. Master Evo, he put it float one end of the high voltage and the other one to the ground. And when I did that, the frequency for the same transformer went down, like it's the resonance, there was no resonance. It was a very low impedance. It got the impedance so low, it's like 1 ohm impedance when you calculate the voltage with the the average. And so instead of putting the common ground, which is the ground floating, is not the earth, which is the same as the negative of the power supply, I'm putting this across the probe. So the probe is measuring both lead of the, and also the secondary of my transformer is connecting both to the high voltage coil. So right now I have the signal stable and pretty good actually. So let me just enlarge it for you a little bit. And of course, if I add a little bit of voltage, it will increase a lot. And I will show you right now. So I took all the signal out. It's only the high voltage. Right now it's at 3 volt. So I'm gonna increase that a little bit. And you watch here. You see it's already 680, 800. I don't wanna make it flash over, but that's like 1 kilovolt, and I'm at 7 volt and 0.38. So definitely that's resonance, which is good news. Now when I reduce it, it's at 1.2 kilovolt, and that's my frequency. So I'm gonna reduce it again just to avoid any. I wanted to ask Master Evo about the dead time, because I don't know, I had a hard time to decide if the hardware have a built-in dead time or not. You know, when you invert the signal, you have to have a dead time, otherwise it's gonna clash and it's not gonna work. So I had to put that in my code for the for the Arduino to be able to switch you know, easily. So next is the impulse, and we'll see how about that. Just want to show you guys how I did the wiring for the impulse. So the positive goes to the shock I made here, which is 260 micro, and goes to the anode of the ultra fast diode, and it goes back to the other line, which is the secondary of the common mode choke. And the other side is this is the positive, and this is the negative of the power supply. And then it goes to the high current coil, and then it goes back to the single isolated gate MOSFET. And that's what I'm going to try next to do the impulse. I was doing just the software to make it work. It's not obvious to do the clock and the Arduino, so many various stuff to do, but I got it working finally. And that's my update. Next is the impulse and putting a load, but I have to put the right now is the pink signal is that's what I have. That's the voltage of the choke, which is the high current, and that's the voltage I'm getting right now. I want to show you something really interesting. Right now the system is on, and this all the way down, okay? No current, no voltage, but I see 8.1 volt. I have no idea how. Probably this choke and the capacitor. I put a 4 microfarad here across the power supply. Probably this is feeding back to the power supply. I don't know if it's a good thing or not, but anyway, my next step is the impulse and adjusting the delay, which I have it in the Arduino as well, to control the phase shift and the duty. So that's what I'm gonna do next. I'm not sure if I do it 10, the duty, I mean 10, or it should be 3, because mine is inverted. So probably it will be 3 instead of 97. We'll see. But look, just to show you the voltage here, and the voltage of the high voltage coil, and the current right now, there is nothing going on. I have to check, but that's what I have right now. And that's it, just to give you an update what's happening here. Believe me, I'm not I'm very busy, but in my spare time I work on this, and I just love it. So Master Evo, please look at this video and give me your valid and very useful comments, please. We need to find a way to chat much better than this, because it's very hard to reach you and we have some stuff to share. All right, thank you guys, cheers.